This 8-ingredient vegan lemon olive oil cake is moist, fluffy, light, and so flavorful. You're going to want to eat it all summer long. Let's start off by juicing our lemons. We have 2 lemons. I'm going to pop them right into my little lemon squeezer and just get all the juice out of there. And you could also pop this in between tongs in case you've never done that either to get the juice out. And as always, the full rundown recipe is down below. Check the description box. Then we're going to add in half a cup of olive oil. This is just regular plain olive oil. We're going to add in a 3/4 cup of non-dairy milk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of lemon extract. Then we're going to whisk this up. Don't worry, it may curdle because of the lemon juice and the non-dairy milk. If it does, it's okay. But whisk it up until the olive oil is really well incorporated in there, as you can see right here. Then we're going to add in a cup of organic sugar and make sure it's organic, so no bone char. You're going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I don't know, I like to sift it in. You don't have to sift it in if you don't want to. I do it. It's a habit. And then we're going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour and sift that in as well. This you should sift, okay? I know I will get the question whether you can make this gluten-free. I didn't try, but if you want to try using gluten-free all-purpose flour, give it a go. Let us know how it goes. And then just mix it up with a spatula until it is well incorporated. Don't overmix, and it might be a little bit clumpy. That's okay if that happens. Don't worry at all. But just mix it up until it is well incorporated, and the batter should be something like this when it's all done. It's a thinner batter, and it was kind of like pancake batter, actually. That's what it was reminding me of. So this is my pan. How cute is this? I'll have it linked down below, but you could also just use a regular like 9 by 5 inch baking dish, like a baking pan, you know, like a loaf pan. Gonna give it a very, very, very generous spray of baking spray. I always get so nervous. I don't want anything to get stuck to these pans. And now let's pour in that batter. Look at that. Ooh. Some slow-mo action, gorgeous. So just pour it into your pan, and then I always like to go with a little wipey and just wipe around to get off any excess. Pop this in the oven and bake it until it comes out looking fluffy, goldeny, crispy around the edges, and the toothpick comes out clean. Just stick it in there and just do a check. Let this cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you can carefully remove it, but you want it to cool in the pan first, otherwise it's just going to be too hot. So flip it onto a board, give a little bang, 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 and you should be able to get your cake out. And look at that. Is that not just beautiful? These Nordic ware pans, I swear I love them. You guys have seen me do other recipes with them. So I'm just going to add some powdered sugar on top. I let it cool for like another 20 minutes before I added the powdered sugar, and that is it. These are all done. It's beautiful. It's delicious. I am obsessed with this cake, and I know you're going to be too. Look at how fluffy and moist that is inside. Like, oh my goodness. And yeah, like I said earlier, full rundown recipes on the blog. Check out the blog post because I cover any questions and concerns that you might have. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And if you like my videos, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.